Linking a bank account on Crypto.com is a straightforward process that allows you to deposit and withdraw funds easily. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app. Download and install the Crypto.com app on your mobile device if you haven't done so already. Open the app and log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts tab. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can manage your funds and linked accounts. Step 3. Select Fiat Wallet. In the Accounts section, find and tap on Fiat Wallet. This option allows you to manage your fiat currency transactions and link your bank account. Step 4. Choose Link Bank Account. Within the Fiat Wallet menu, look for the option to link bank account. Tap on it to start the linking process. Step 5. Enter bank details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Crypto.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once your bank account is linked, you can easily deposit and withdraw funds on Crypto.com. Make sure to follow any additional verification steps if prompted.